Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut song in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, choose your preferred option. Here, click on New to create a new project. Now, I'm going to choose some photos over here and click here to add it to your timeline. Now, since we want the song in our video, simply click on Audio, Music, and click on My Music to add music from your device. For now, I'll choose this one. Now, to cut the songs, simply select the song and click on Split and delete the part that you don't want in your video, just like this, and you can long press on it and drag it to the desired area in your video.
Running out of my head.
Similarly, if you want to make more cuts, select the audio and click on Split, and further you want to split, take it to the area and click on Split again and delete the part that you don't want in your video, just like this. Now, to make it to the length of the video, simply select the audio like this at the end of the video and click on Split again and delete the rest of the audio. Now, if you play our video, it will look like this.
Running out of my mind. Oh, I don't know what's running out of.
And click here to save changes. And just like this, we can cut song in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.